Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can join private server on Roblox mobile. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, we open Roblox mobile application and we are in game mode picking lobby. You have to pick a random game mode, and after you clicked it, you have a lot of options, but you will just scroll down until you find servers section and tap that. You will be redirected to private server menu. Firstly, depending on the region and the level you're able or not able to create a private server. I'm currently on disable mode, but it is because my account is new, and also you can join other private servers if there is enough slots. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more.